So this is my new 3D printer. I've got it running. This is a test print. And I think it's finished. Let's go over here and check the software. There's that. Check the software. Software says I have no clue whether it's done or not, but it says full green. So I think it was a thin layer print. As you can see right through there. Pretty spaggly, and that's because my extruder motor makes strange noises. And we've got two separate images. Interesting. What photograph is this? I got two sets of arrows. The one under the print head and the one over here. There's actually three. 1, 2, 3, and 4 there. You can see the registration squares that were printed. Okay, that's okay. We'll get there.